Hi, welcome to Carter & Haynes. This is our Alfa Romeo Giulia 2.2 diesel Speciale. Finished in black. These are lovely cars, these. Really nice cars. Something a bit different, isn't it? And they have a good following, Alfa. The twin exhaust pipes there. I might be wrong, but I think these are based on a Mercedes. So they have the 2.2 engine and running gear, and the 2.2 engine on the Mercedes was one of the best engines they ever produced, and they chucked it in these, I believe. But again, I could be completely wrong. So we got the full leather interior on these ones. Got the electric memory seats. It's got sat nav. All the bits on these Speciales. Look, the little start-stop button being on the steering wheel, and the flappy paddles is quite cool. Just a cool car on Alfa, aren't they? Not like the old 70s unreliable ones. Went to Mercedes and said, "Oh, can we have a bit of reliability, please?" And there you go. All of a sudden, they do. It's so dusty round here. So we take part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks as always.